Perfection is not an accident. Its intentional pursuit sets Glock apart and defines the confidence that so many have come to trust. Every weapon, every design predicated upon principles, never compromised. The Glock 43X and Glock 48 pistols continue that tradition, offering unique features, making them a perfect fit for many lifestyles. The slim design provides maximum comfort and enhanced concealability. Increased capacity redefines capability with a new look that's both brawn and beauty. Form, feel, and function that personifies a perfect fit.